schedule your consultation with one of our in-house.
Stop. Kyle! Fucking Kyle!
Call USA Vein Clinics to schedule your consultation with one of our in-house.
Yours are probably better.
My jacket. No. No.
Big stretch.